Aswath. Now I am going to teach for 10th standard. Find the value of x and y for the pair of linear equations given below. X plus 0.999y equal to 2.999. 0.999 x plus y equal to 2.998. So on seeing this equation, first we have to remove this point. For that we have to multiply this equation by 1000. And here also 3 decimal places. Therefore, here also by 1000. By multiplying by 1000, what you get is 1000x plus 999y equal to 299. Then next one, by 1000, what you get is 9x plus 1000y equal to 2998. This is the first equation and this one is the second equation. Then 1 minus 2. What you get is, here 1000 minus 999, therefore 1x, therefore x. Here it is minus, therefore minus y. Here it is minus, here plus, therefore it is equal to 1. So that is a third equation. Next 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 1099x plus 1099y equal to 9 plus 8, 17, 1, 18, 9, 18, 9, 2 plus 2, 4, 5. So this is, then here 199 is common for all this. So divide by 1999. What you get is x plus y equal to, this is the 9, here 7. Therefore multiplying by 3, we get 5997, therefore 3. This is the fourth equation. Now third and fourth. So third equation is x minus y equal to 1. Then x plus y equal to 3. Then add, that is 2x equal to 4. So x equal to 2. Substitute x equal to 2 in 3. What you get? 2 minus y equal to 1. So y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Therefore, the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.